Hello, Brian. This is Stephen Douglas, Internet Manager over here at Pacific Auto Center. You had inquired online about a Ford truck. We sold that truck. So I wanted to show you just some of the other trucks that we have in stock for you right now. Like this 2008 Ford F-250 Turbo Diesel 4x4 Super Duty. That one just came in. We've got lots of Ford trucks. We specialize in gas and diesel trucks. That 2010 white diesel Ford F-250 just came into us. We've got so many trucks here. I know your next truck is at Pacific Auto Center. We're located in Fontana on Valley Boulevard off the 10 freeway. We're in between Citrus and Sierra. Come check out the trucks. 909-429-1100. 909-429-1100. So we invite you to come on out, take a look for yourself, drive a truck or two, and then take one home. Pacific Auto Center. We're located in Fontana. 909-429-1100. Come on out. We look forward to earning your business.